Okay? Now for step 6, you turn it over, then bend this carefully, and if you can't bend it anymore, then just leave it and bend it like that. Then for step, then you put it under there, and then you do that. Then you do it to the other one. Now you take it up and slowly bend it this side. Then make sure when you're bending it, this has to go like that. Then you can squeeze this first and put this in the right place. Then push it there and lie it on here. And there you have done the wings. For step 7, you bend it, and you can see that this part is like that. That's what you have to do. And you do it on the other side. Then you take it out, you do this, and if you want it to go the other side, you just do it again. This way. Or this way. And I show you a trick. You can also make one like this. You bend it small to the edge where it was. Then you bend it again. Then you get it up. You pull this out from the edge, and it should look like that. And you get the other one and do it. And this is how you fly.